this box is gonna save us time. So the height, I try to level it as close as I can, about right there. And then I'll take a photo of where that lands, and in this instance it's 3.75. The right hand side. We're gonna line them up here, keeping in account the slight depth of the arrow itself, so I'm gonna move it over a little bit. And to me that looks like 12.5. So next we're going to the left hand side, this yellow pointer, and we're gonna line it up with the widest part of the object. So about right there. And that is how I quickly get measurements for all of my home good objects. Because to me it's easier to snap a shot of those 3 images on my phone and then just upload that to a separate measurements folder and have those visual color cues and images to quickly match up the measurement to my listing as I'm going through and working. And to me that is quicker than taking a ruler out and remeasuring every, like unleashing the ruler every single time. Hopefully that helps you make your business faster or your hobby faster, so that you can get to the fun parts. The measuring part has never really been something I got joy out of, so if I can make that part quicker, I'm all for it. Okay, how to actually make the measuring box. I'm going to have you print 18 sheets, get it quality assurance checked by a specialist. Go ahead and cut out all the pieces with an X-Acto knife. Use an electric scissor if you have it. Cut down your box to size. I ended up using basically 2 sides of the box and the bottom, and leaving the height of the box without folding the flaps in, if that makes sense. Also make sure you tape the bottom. So here is the assembly. I'm showing you from the origin 0 here as a screenshot. This is the left side, and it's in order of from the 0 A, and then to the left of that B, to the left of that C. Sometimes it takes a little finagling to get the sheets aligned just right. Do not be afraid to take a sheet off and just try again. Right here is the right side origin 0 screenshot, just to show you, kind of give you coordinates of how to plan this and map this out. If you do have to have a gap between 2 sheets of paper, that's actually okay, as long as the measurement still comes out correct from start to finish of the ruler, if that makes sense, because you could have accidentally, like me, cut off just a little bit too much on one of the edges. But other than that, I hope this was helpful, and I'd invite you to go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more thrifting videos. Yeah, so thanks for watching.